Just a few little shots while I make this video together with my local river while I walk to a place where now I wish I never did. And now look at this peg, this one. I'm fishing under that tree along the river. No maintenance. Everything needs to be cut. I'll have to get in touch with the club. But that's a good mile stretch of river what I'm walking up here. Now just off the river, down this track, come to puddles, and then you come to a pond. Oh no, that's a puddle. Ah, the bridge at last. Now look here. Not many went on today.
Let's see. Now recorded, what's it not do out?
I hope you can see I've just thrown a bit of bread out, but these pegs are rubbish compared to what they used to be years ago. I ain't seen one carp all day, and this place used to be full of them. Grass carp. Had a few little perch. That's it, but I hope you can see what I've done there. Yeah. I've thrown some bread out over and around the float. Nothing's touching it. Now I'm in two minds whether to give up and start walking home, but have a slow walk home. I'm going to do exactly the same in the local river. And let's see what happens now. I was there the other week and I was just throwing bits in. Because close easy, you can't fish it yet. But I decided to come for a walk today and... oh, this ain't sea fishing. This is carping. Anyway, this one is. This one's bit bashing. I'm going to have to buy 2 rod licences, but I don't know about the club, how they would work it out, whether I'm allowed 2 carp in 1 bit bashing or 1 carp in 1 bit bashing, what I'm doing now. But I have brought both new carp rods, what I've got. Both the same. This one. But let's have a think, because it's idiot me. I spilled all my tobacco everywhere. Oh. Well, I did add one, and turned the camera on and lost it. I don't like that. Well then where's he gone there? We have another perch. The only thing this place seems to be full of. God damn little perches. Not bad, but guess who forgot a towel today? Go get and tell your uncle to come for me. Eh? What do you reckon? Uncle or the great uncle? Oh, now, I forgot to tell you something. Look at this. I don't fish on normal food. Fish food anyway. Brazil nut. Chickpea. Rice. Who fishes with these things? I know one thing. These fish don't eat them. Now I know where I'll be fishing come the season. And look, I've not even used a piece of bread yet. Oh, bloody hell. Ducks. That's why I've not gone onto the main river. Plenty of action here, just missed one. I'll have a nosy down there in a minute because this is basically on my doorstep. And here's the river I'd like to fish. Other than, where's that pesky duck going? Look. Could have hours of fun, eh? Put him some more bread. Zoom out a bit. And this is all what you have to do to get them feeding off the top. Come down just before a week or two before open season. Throw in some bread when nobody's about and they don't know where you're feeding, but I don't think I'll be coming this peg. Let me show you. It is actually for the disabled. So if I do come here and I see a disabled person come fishing, I will automatically move. But it does look a good place. Especially for a bit of 2-3 o'clock in the morning stalking. Oh, they're well having this bread. A few more before I move on. See whether I can get any nice ones up. He looks a nice one. Can't do river fishing at the moment. It's a pity, but I'm not seeing any trouble down here with kids. But it is a Sunday night. There was a nice suck there. The big flashies I want, but I saw one down there just, and I saw one fish come when I was coming in here. This is the arm. Not many pegs, 4 or 5 or way. But it's more of a nature reserve than anything. But it's on my doorstep. And so's them fish. And that's what we're after. Well, there's one piece of bread gone, and I'm going to move, say, there, just before that dead tree I want to get. Because that tree looks lovely to a bit of floating bread like this at 2-3 o'clock in the morning. Let's go see. Well, finally here. And I think this one's going to be another disaster. I can't put my bank sticks in anywhere. It's too stony. At the moment, kettle's on first. Float rods out. But it better not be another repeat of last week. Oh well. Brew time first, it's on. And then I'll have a look out, but just listen to this wildlife. Oh well, let's see. Well, finally here. And I think this one's going to be another disaster. I can't put my bank sticks in anywhere. It's too stony. At the moment, kettle's on first. Float rods out. But it better not be another repeat of last week. Oh well. Brew time first, it's on. And then I'll have a look out, but just listen to this wildlife. Oh well, let's see. Brew, fag, fishing. Let's see what happens today. Cut, take two. And how did that start recording? Move peg. I've got both rods out now, but let me try show you. 1, 2 somewhere. Buckle my shoe. And I'm still not happy. Seems lovely, but it seems to be full of weeds underwater. I can see a few there, but my float's popping up. I've got the carp rod out, what I've come here for, and I know you sit here for hours. And there's an old bloke over there, and I'm laughing at what he's got. I want one. A mobility scooter. Let's see whether he catches, because I think he's been here all night. I only got here about, 5-ish this morning. Well, just missed one. I had a lovely run, and when I pulled into it, nothing. And it's raining here, or was, maybe. I think it's going to be another one of them. I caught a few rod and roach around there before, moved peg, and I moved into a load of weeds. So I'll have to just see what happens, and I seem to be having trouble with my power bank. It's not charging my phone up. Go on, do that again. Got a nice splash there. Fishing, where's my float? Somewhere there. Got a float there, and my carp rod is out that way, behind them bushes. What I've just recently had a bite off, but let's just see, because I might have to go to 2 carp rods. I don't think you can make it out, but in front here, where there's them reeds, so where's my hand? There. I'll say, hold on, here is a load of weed underwater, and it's interfering with me float. Thought that was another one then, but it's a coot. Where is he? There. Zoom in a bit. Steady your hand. Hey, it's back. And I just saw it was a nice size one. Wonder what to do. Let me think.
Happy with that.
Well, oh, that was a nice one. 17.8. I'll show you the picture. I've got a little bit of footage, but I'm here by myself, and a massive, and I mean massive, thanks to the young lad who jumped over the fence. He's doing something in the field near this pond, and well, hopeful, thanks, mate. 17.8, and it was you who called it. Time to catch another one. Well, not a bad day. I've had one and a few little ones this morning round the corner, but that's been having that all day. It's too windy. But let's just say it's been a relaxing time. Spoke to the bailiff, got moaned at. What is it? Mat is too thin. Well, it's bloody what comes from Amazon. I've just gone out and brought a load of new stuff. Oh well. Tomorrow, or next time I'm out fishing, very soon, I've been told I know a place where goldfish hang out. So I'm going to try for a personal best goldfish. Oh, fishing tales. Only I'm the stupid get that can forget your butties. And that's why I'm going home early. Don't forget, if you like, subscribe and leave a message. I'll get back to you.